Vanessa, go in the other room.
Okay.
She could have been killed.
Well, at least Jacob saved her.
Who cares if Jacob saved her?
I'm gonna slap you till your eyes fall.
Okay. Alright, just say one more thing. You wanted to be a vampire.
Oh, we talked about that yesterday.
Mommy, can I come out?
No.
Do you want to kiss me? Yes.
No?
I had an awesome party last night.
What are you two doing?
Kiss.
Hey,
Hey, we were kissing.
I'm gonna borrow your friend.
Okay. Get out here, Nefra. Oh. Mommy, can I come out now?
Yeah, Bratty lives. That's awesome. Subscribe to her. Subscribe to us. Peace.